Hey y'all. So before we get into bleaching the closure, the first thing I did was went in with my hot comb and pressed the hairline back so that I could get everything, out of the way with no like flyaways. And then I'm just going in with my Got To Be spray, and I'm going to spray the front of the hairline and then also on the back part where the lace is. And you just want to go in generously and coat this and make sure that every piece of the lace is covered. And this is so we don't have any color transfer or bleach transfer. We don't want it to over bleach the knots and then we have to go back and color correct. So spray it down good with the Got To Be. And then you're just going to go in with your blow dryer and dry it until everything is dry. And when you get finished, you should have something like this. It's going to be like a helmet. And everything is pushed back and now we're ready. So I'm using my Quick Blue for the bleach today. I'm going to take a half scoop and then I'm going to be going in with my cream 30 volume developer. And with my lace from my vendor, I do allow the bleach mixture to sit on the lace for 27 minutes. I'll go back in and check it to see if everything is bleached, if it needs a little bit longer. But typically in 27 minutes, I can get my, required results. So after I mix that in, you're going to come in with a consistency that looks like toothpaste or cake batter, peanut butter. Maybe not as thick as peanut butter, but you see it's not coming off of the application spoon and it is as thick as we need it to be, and it's not going to bleed through the lace. So now we're just going to take the bleach mixture, and I'm using a plastic spoon. Do not use metal. It will speed up the bleaching process, so you don't want it to go any faster. So I'm using a plastic knife and just spreading that over. And once you get finished, it looks something like this. You want to make sure that you also do go above the hairline in the front so that you can get all of the knots bleached. And then I'm just laying that down on my foil for the 27 minutes. We're rinsing it out. I've already rinsed out the bleach. I'm just going back in and making sure I get all of the Got To Be out. Now I'm going in with my blue shampoo by Taraji P. Henson. I know a lot of you are probably using purple shampoo to cancel out the brassy tones, but basically on the color wheel, blue is across from orange, so I am going in with blue shampoo. If you don't have blue shampoo, you can, of course, use the purple shampoo, but I always get the best results when I'm using the blue shampoo, and it smells so good. So you're just going to go in and lather that up and make sure that the shampoo is, saturated all over the lace in the front and on the back side. And then I let that sit in the shampoo just like this for about 5 to 7 minutes. Okay, then we're going to rinse that out. And then after, these are the results. So everything came out perfectly on the bleaching. Nothing is over bleached. I also do not have any more brassiness because the blue shampoo has removed it. And this is what the lace is now looking like up against my skin. And this is HD lace. So now all we have to do is just go in and pluck this. It is going to pluck very easily, of course, because it already has been bleached. And yeah, it's definitely giving Scalpiana.